As Corvette collectors are putting some of these beautiful 1960s Corvettes in their collections for keeps, they're becoming harder and harder to find. But here at BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia, right now we have a great selection of C2 Corvettes, and this 1967 is one of them. You'll find this car has the code correct Marina Blue on the exterior with that white stinger on the hood, and it has a code correct interior bright blue vinyl with the white seats and door panels. Now, the convertible top, well, it's white, and it really sets this car off. Under the hood, you'll find a numbers matching 350 horsepower, 327 cubic inch L79 engine, and this car has a 4-speed manual transmission. Features include the AM/FM radio and a lot of other accessories. It was originally assembled on November 23, 1966, and this tank sticker documented 1967 Corvette L79 Convertible features that very rare L79 engine, as well as the rare and desirable Marina Blue paint with the bright blue and white interior. And it's all in good condition. The car's paint is in good condition, has a great shine. The big block Stinger style hood has been added to it. The chrome bumpers show a good condition finish, as do the exterior door handles. The rally wheels are in very good condition, as are the center caps and trim rings, and it has those custom Michelin radial tires with added Redlines. The interior of this 1967 Corvette L79 Convertible shows good condition in the carpet, steering wheel, the center console, and the glove box lid. It has the correct appearing AM/FM radio. It's all in place and ready to go. This car has the engine has original casting date of November 11th, 1966, and final assembly date November 12th, 66. Everything is correct, from the air cleaner, carburetor, intake manifold, valve covers, exhaust manifolds, alternator, ignition shielding, and radiator hoses and clamps. They're all in place, just what you would expect of a great caliber car. So give us a call today here at BuyAVette.net in Atlanta, Georgia. Give one of our sales representatives a call. They're very knowledgeable at 770-414-5552, and they'll be glad to help you with this Corvette or over 120 always in stock here on our lot. Remember, BuyAVette.net, we ship nationwide, we ship worldwide every month, and we hope you'll find us your ultimate Corvette buying experience.